In the face of racism, in the face of xenophobia, in the face of barbary, we shall never stay silent, not even for 1 minute. When they want to bury us alive, when they want to bury us in shame, when they want to bury us in guilt, when they want to bury us in grief, we stand up. We show up. We speak out. We shout out. And we always take a stance. In Springfield, Ohio, like in Santo Domingo, we will not stay silent. We will not stand by as infant children are separated from their breastfeeding mothers, as young girls are dropped overnight alone on a border. We will not stay silent because history is taking notes, and we owe it to those who came before us to rise together and uphold our sacred, hard-won dignity. We can't allow ourselves to stay complacent and shut down our inherent power to demand and enact positive change. See, we are a people molded by incommensurable pain and even greater joy.